Hi, it's Toby here from BRYDGE, and we make premium wireless keyboards for the iPad, the Microsoft Surface and the Google Pixel Slate that really turn those tablets into laptop-like devices. This is our new BRYDGE 11-inch Pro. So this is for the new iPad Pro 11-inch. As you can see, it really turns it into a mini MacBook, and we're designed to really drive these tablets to be the primary use devices, primary computing devices. A few of the key features. So as you can see from a design perspective, perfectly matches the iPad. The anodizing is the same. This one's a silver. We also do space grey. We have a painted in 180-degree hinge, which is unique to all our products, which really delivers that laptop-like experience. We have the MacBook-like typing experience, so individually island set keys instead of a membrane keyboard like some other competitors. We have iOS shortcuts, which are obviously really, really great for getting to where you need. So obviously got volume there, home button. We've got backlit keys for typing in the dark when you need that. We've got a new feature on our new keyboards, USB-C to USB-C dual connectivity. So what that means is the iPad can charge the keyboard, and you also can use that as a wide connection for typing. So that's really neat. So although these keyboards have a 12-month battery, rechargeable battery, and they really run out of battery, if you do need to charge them, you can charge them from the iPad. You don't need to carry an external portable battery. Finally, we've actually added protection to this product. Whilst our product is 100% aluminum and protects the iPad in a really perfect sense, we've got protection on the back. That's a snap-on magnetic case that provides some protection from scratch and dents. So this is our 11-inch model. We also have a 12.9 space grey down here, which obviously for the larger 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This is obviously a great device, and we really think this can replace a laptop. So we're excited by these products. In terms of the price point, this model's $169. The smaller version's $149. They're available now for pre-order on our website, which is brydge.com.
Fantastic. Well, I appreciate it, man.
Thanks very much.
Thank you. Have a good one.